Welcome to the CMC Invest UK mobile app review. We're going to do a quick walkthrough here from the homepage. If we look on the top left, there's a little icon there that will take you to your profile settings. On the top right, the little mailbox icon will allow you to send a message to CMC Invest as far as communicating with your broker. Otherwise, there's not a lot going on this page, so we're not going to spend a lot of time here. You have your portfolio value, you have the ability to upgrade to a plus account, transfer in, as well as some links on the bottom that will redirect to an external web browser actually. So switching to the Discover tab, here you're going to have functionality such as that you would find with a stock screener, predefined screens. So they're not really customizable, but you can choose from sectors. You can look at either shares or funds that have a high ESG score. You can look at popular shares or funds, as well as top movers, and you can expand these lists and then sort them by a number of parameters. So just switching back here again, we can look at funds, we can look at ETFs, as well as investment trusts, and then back to the shares module. On the bottom you have UK stocks, US stocks, lowest price earning ratio, highest dividend. So they're fairly robust in terms of the ability to sort these predefined lists, but other than that, you can search for a particular security just on the top, and you can bookmark it by clicking on the top right little bookmark. There's a chart with 6 different time frames, a crosshair line chart, and besides switching the time frames, this market's closed, so the buy button is grayed out. You have market data overview powered by Morningstar, a little bit of explanation about a company. We're looking at British Petroleum right now as an example, so we could look at its ESG ratings. It will give you an explanation about that and what the ESG risk score means, as well as the controversy category as far as its impact on the environment, for example. And further down, the product involvement areas, it's going to be color coded and show you green and red, as well as yellow, amber, and red, depending on its scoring in those areas. There's over 25 variables here with regard to the product involvement, and this is powered by Sustainalytics. And switching to the watch list, which is the last tab, here's just going to be, securities or funds and ETFs that you've added, that you've bookmarked. So once you bookmark them, they'll be added to your watch list by clicking on that little bookmark bar. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching.